What's inside?
What's inside? An animal.
What animal do you think I could draw?
ايش تعتقد؟
Horse.
Horse.
Yeah.
Dog.
Dog.
Cat.
Cat.
Lion.
Lion.
Lion. Okay. All right.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see.
Oh my God, it is a horse or a bird?
Is it a horse or a bird?
Horse. Bear.
Bird.
A bird.
Uh-huh. It's a horse?
A horse.
What is that?
Okay. It's a mixture of a horse and a bird. Yeah. So it's got a horse's wings. Sorry, a bird's wings. Got a bird's wings. It's got a bird's claws. Bird's claws. But it's got a horse's legs. Horse's legs. And it's got a horse's tail.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a bird's beak.
Beak. Yep.
A bird's beak and a bird's head. So it's a mix of a horse and a bird. Yeah.
We have here a table.
Yeah.
And here we have a book.
Mm-hmm.
And the mixture word is tobo.
Double.
Whereas there's a table and inside it there is a book.
Ah. So while you're eating your dinner, you can have the book. You can read the book at the same time. Yeah. Excellent. Everyone?
Yep.
Finished? Oh,
No. We have here a clever one, actually.
Yeah. Let's have a look. Can you just bring it a bit? I can't really see it very well. Okay.
Okay. You can see it now?
Yes. Okay. Yes.
Okay. We have here the word triple.
Yeah.
Which is a mixture between book and tree.
Ah, wow.
Wow.
Wow. So it's a tree with books growing on it.
Exactly. Instead of the other of like fruit or vegetable, we have books.
That's excellent. What's the name of the thing?
Triple. He wrote it down. كتبها.
Like this?
Yep. Yeah, and without the E.
Without the E.
Yeah. هو بديهم يكتب إيه.
Triple.
Yeah.
So it's a mixture of a tree
and a book.
And a book. That's really lovely. Wouldn't it be nice if books grew on trees?
Yes.
Lots of different books. You just go, if you feel like reading a book, you just go and pick the book you want. And then when you finish, you put it back and someone else can go and read it.